Okay guys, welcome to Thailand Outdoors. This is our home for the night. Boy, is it bumpy coming in here. We came off the highway right on that corner over there. Drove all the way around down that side is okay, but coming in through here, yeah, 4x4. But pretty cool place. An incredible amount of wind today. Right now, not so bad. I'm hoping the trees is gonna block it out. There's an egret, a baby one, but that's our view. Possibility of rain by the looks of it. We'll see. If it rains, it rains. Not a big deal. We will survive. Awesome place, but incredibly dry here. Really dry. Except the farm over here. This is a rice farm in here. It's big time flooded. Some of the rice over there is cut already, but this right here is just sleeping. It's been flattened out by the wind. Got some nice trees. Bit of an overhang. And here's where we are. Should be a good one. I'm really debating on putting my canopy on the other side because I never use that side. It just never works out. I've been here quite a few times. I bring the dogs here to take them for a walk. They like it here. No other dogs. I've only ever seen one person here, one lady, and lots of stuff to smell. Hello, Lee. How you getting on, old buddy? Rice is with it, isn't it? What you doing, buddy? I don't know, Dick. I think it's gonna rain. I think my apples are rotten. Dick, you see that? It is rotten too. That's not good at all. You don't like apples anyway, dude. There's the village over that way. I don't know if you can see that house with the blue roof. Maybe half a kilometer from here. And there's another village half a kilometer, 90-degree angle from here. And the farmers are out all night right now cutting rice. Last night after dark, there was 3 combines just down the road here. when I was going home. It is the season. The rain stopped anyway. Didn't come to nothing. That's good. Kind of sucks that my apple half rotten. Ah, that works. Catch my book on fire, that wouldn't be good. Why are you sitting on my foot? You're heavy, you know that? Got a new book. At least new to me book. It looks well used. Well aged, that's for sure. Oh man. A lot of yellow pages. That's alright. How much did it cost? 100 baht. Come with bookmark. Yeah. Good, because I forgot one. When the wind stops, it's beautiful. When the wind hits, holy man. I was hoping to have a fire tonight. Like this. Everybody would have a fire, probably. It's really dry and really windy. Although it's stopped now. Really nice now. There's a new mini mart over there somewhere. Just opened a couple of weeks ago, I think. Seems a strange place for it, but good luck to them anyway. Might work out. You don't know if you don't try. Do you think you see the birds? Look at that. Doug, don't smell the camera. That's beautiful. Gets dark really early now. It's only like 5:30. It's going to be a long night, Leo. That's really nice though, huh? Maybe I should have brought a couple extra chairs. The last pomelo of the season. At least I think, I don't see any more on the tree. This is off my tree. It's been a really good pomelo year. For the most part, been a lot of fruit. Some have been really, really good. I haven't tried this one yet. It's pretty good. Some have been absolutely delicious. And some of the other ones taste like lemon. They're just so sour. But this one's really good. It wasn't a very big one. I had some huge ones this year. Oh, that's really good. This one's only about half the size of some of them. I think it's going to be a windy night. I can hear a combine just right here somewhere. I guess with the wind it could be a lot further away, but not far. And it's beautiful. That's beautiful. They're never far away, are they? One's on my foot and the other one's only a foot away. I think I should get them their dinner. Since you don't eat pomelo, Leo. You like oranges? You don't like pomelo? Not bad. It's not an ocean, but it'll have to do. I don't know the story on these. There's a few of these around where I live. Government made, I think. It doesn't make sense. There's no way for water to get in here other than rain. Oh, big flock of birds. That's ducks. Lily, look at all the ducks. There's got to be 20 there. Wow, that's a lot of ducks. Normally with those you only see a couple at a time. Looks like it's on fire over there. That is really nice. That is really, really nice. Yeah, I don't know what the story is with this. I'm pretty sure this is government land. But why build this in the middle of a rice paddy unless it's water for the farms? I have no idea. I know of another one as well, not far away. It's not maintained in any way. The road here is brutal. Well, on the other corner it's not so bad, it's been graded, but here, just driving in right here, it's full of holes. I'm really lucky I didn't get stuck over here. That's for sure. Big holes. I don't know if I'll go that way again. It's a little bit dangerous. What are you expecting? Steak or something? No, thank you. Lil decided a liquid diet is a good idea tonight. Don't want to eat. Just water is good enough. Those ducks all came back. Boy, that would have been some shot. They were just right above us and just hovering. Thank you, Dick. That was really cool. I didn't get the camera out in time. Really, really cool. They must have landed in the farm somewhere. Quite a lot of them. There you go. In you go. Well, it's windy now. I don't know where to put my stuff. It's all going to blow away. Batten down the hatches now. Oh, don't get out. Come on, Lee. Inside. Come on, back up. Boy, you just got it. There you go, that works. A little worried about this one. I'll close it for now. Don't need it flying away, Lil. As soon as it got dark, they wanted to go inside. Time to sleep. They don't like the wind, that's for sure. Never have. Wind is better than thunder, though, eh, Lil? Really don't like thunder. Good boy. Very nice, buddy. What a difference. It was insanely windy all night. Well, until about the middle of the night, I guess. 6 o'clock in the morning here now. Beautiful. Lots of dragonflies. Place is full of birds. Just had 20 or 30 big gray cranes fly over. And they weren't in a big flock, it was just one here, one there, all over the sky they were. There's a lot of them around right now. I saw 200 or 300 in one flock yesterday. These birds here are black, really long tail. Their tail feathers probably just 2 or 3 tail feathers, really long, like foot past the rest of their feathers. Really cool. Some of those cranes over there, 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, there's all kinds of them again coming. I don't think you're gonna see them with this camera. But there are 3 or 4 in each little flock, is like, and there's just group after group after group. Pretty cool. Landing in a tree over there. Nature. It's there if you go look for it. What are you doing? No, no, Por culo. It's okay, dude, big one. Relax. Just had a farmer come by. He was a little surprised. He didn't know what was going on here. We don't know what's going on either, I do, Dick. Don't worry. I would think he's got nets somewhere, fish traps on this farm. That's what it looked like he was up to. A lot of water in that farm right there, so I'm sure he's after some fish. Today we're cooking sausage and eggs. Very, very spicy sausage. Extremely spicy sometimes. I'll do it. The boys don't like when we get company. There's hundreds of little birds on the lake right now. I don't know what they are. A swallow maybe. Unusual little bird, that's for sure, for here. Pretty cool just the same. What a way to start your day, huh? All kinds of birds. And some sausage. Smells so good. This is like Chiang Mai sausage, North Thailand sausage if you've ever had it. Bit spicy, lots of herbs. Cook this up with some eggs. Got some lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers. Should be good. Farmer's going to go out the other way. He's not dealing with us anymore. You excited? Huh? Oh yeah, that's a lot, Nick. That is a lot. Oh, where's the... Not so bad, huh? Take it. You didn't eat dinner last night. Lee, hey, take it. Do it, huh? Can have Leo's breakfast. Leo don't want it. Try it. Oh, that's good one. I don't think I've had this sausage with eggs before. It works, dude. It really works. Better than the fork does. Mmm. Want some lettuce? Oh, thank you, huh? That's great, huh? What a way to start the day, let me tell you. That's the most beautiful place in the world. This is pretty alright, dude, Dick. Oh, that tea's good too, man. Some egg yolk on there, oh yeah. There we go. You ready yet? Come on. You want some sausage then? Yeah. Huh? You're crazy, boy. You like eggs? Your dog. Too big, there's a dog. Oh, there's a dog. Are they? Oh, forgot this one. Le. Make a plan. Later. Got it? Good job, buddy. Oh, you need to come down. I think we're out of it now, dude, buddy. You can relax. Shouldn't speak so quickly. Going down this little hill is no joke either. It's really washed out. Like that. Hold on, boys. We'll get there. And that's it. Hard part done. Could have been a lot worse. Like I didn't get stuck last night, actually. Okay, guys, that's it. We're out of here. This road got fixed a couple of days ago. I drove all the way in here the other day from the other side and got to here and it was washed out. The culvert was washed out. Couldn't get through. I had to back all the way back. Luckily I didn't have the trailer with me. This rice is not cut here. That guy's wondering what I'm up to. Okay, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. We had an awesome night. It was an incredible amount of wind until sometime in the middle of the night it stopped. Beautiful morning, absolutely beautiful. So many birds, saw hundreds and hundreds of birds. Little tiny ones to those big gray cranes. Those things are huge. Got a motorbike coming here. Let him go. Awesome breakfast. Nice and easy breakfast. This is a really terrible road in places. I don't know why they didn't make this out of concrete like most of the roads around here. Because it looks like that. And a lot worse. It's a cool little place, that one. Rice on this side's cut, the other side not started. There's a dog. Oh, you see the dog? He's running, I tell you what. If you're chasing a motorbike, you're a little late. Oh, I bet he knows that guy. Seems like about 25 or 30% of the rice is cut, at least close to the road. A lot to go yet. And hardly anything cut by hand this year. Things are changing. Pigeons. Lots of them. More rice cut here. Probably half of it here, huh? I do think what you think. More on the left-hand side of the road than on the right-hand side for some reason.